guy. I'll show you guys. You can see that one major claw right there.
Oh yeah.
On the right.